Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dream Job. Today I come up with the previous year aptitude question that were asked in the Tech Mahindra company. Now we will look after the first question where two statements are given and three conclusions are given. We have to select which of the conclusion will be true for the above two statements. Next is the where three statements are given. It is said that above two statements are true, and we have to decide whether the third statement is true or false. Next question is the symbolic question, where the sequence of symbols are given and in between the empty space is given. We have to identify the which symbol will come in that empty space. Next is the if giraffe is coded as 1 and tiger is coded as 7, then octopus is coded as. I have to do coding for this. It is very easy question. Next comes the direction question. Rashmi started from point X and walked straight 5 km in west, then turned left and walked right 12 km and again turned left and walked 7 km straight. How far and in which direction is she from the initial point? It's a totally direction question. We have to solve and get the answer. A piece of equipment to a certain factory costs rupees 6 lakhs. It's a principal and percentage related question. Next is also a direction question. Next comes the relationship questions, blood relationship questions. Rosie pointed to a photograph and said, her daughter's mother's husband is the only son-in-law of my father. How Rosie related to the lady in the paragraph. Next is also a family related question. We can all check the questions one by one. They will give passage also, as you can see in this question. There are many blood relation related to questions, so be thorough with the blood relation questions. Next is the question related to ratios and proportions. In aptitude, they will ask English and logical thinking and also quantitative, both combined in the aptitude sessions. And missing out the next question is the missing out the series. It's also a very easy question. Next comes the direction related questions. This is also direction related question. And this comes the blood related questions. It's a logical thinking question. We have to identify the which third statement is whether true or false. The next is the statement and conclusion question. It's a technical question. This is here in Tech Mahindra they will ask this type of questions. When the pattern is given, they will ask what will be the next pattern. It will be very easy question. They will give options. We have to look up to the pattern and identify the next pattern. Very easy question. They will ask 4 to 5 questions related to the pattern. Main focus is pattern, blood relation and directions, percentage questions. So be thorough with that questions. Prepare well. I have still some more questions. I will cover up in the next coming up video. So stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel to get more questions and the pattern of the Tech Mahindra. Thank you for watching the channel. Hope this update was very much useful for you.